Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today I have another style video for you, some styles I'm trying. I've got some new accessories. I have these and I have these. I got all these from Five Below, and I've tried a mini version of this style before with these, but today I'm going to go all out, so hopefully this is not a fail. If you want to see what I come up with and how I do this, definitely stay tuned, like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. Okay, you guys, it is a hot one here. I know I said this in my last couple videos, but we've been going back and forth from like high 90s to hundreds. So I'm finding ways to keep my hair off of my skin, like out of my face and off of my neck, just to try and stay cool. Definitely let me know. I'm curious what the temperature is where you guys are at in your part of the world. So let me know down below. But like I said, I did this the other day, and I'm going to show you, I'll show some pictures here to start so you can kind of see what I'm going for. So that was like my mini version, you know, just kind of getting into it. I've had this idea in my head for a bit and wanted to try it, and happened to go to Five Below and was like, oh, I should grab some of these. And then I saw these first, and that's what got my mind like, oh, I need to get me some scarves or something. And grabbed these. Were, I don't even know, $3. Oh, they were $3. It was my first time at Five Below. I've seen different people going and finding some, you know, good finds in there. I got some shoes as well for $5, but so these were $3, and then these were $1, and it's really thin, you know. I mean, what can you expect, I guess, but I like it. It's good for the heat and for the summertime. So I did, like you saw the other day, but my big idea of what I've really been wanting to do is to do two sides around, you know. And the reason I'm using a scarf, number one, for the look of it and style of it. I really like how it weaves in with the hair, and I like the look. But also is to keep my little, you know, I'm at different lengths here, and I came from a taper cut, so really smaller lengths like right here and under. And so it's to keep those pieces in. That's like the functionality of it. I like the look, but the functionality of it is also important. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit of an experiment. I've done this. Maybe I should start over here this time. I think I'm going to start on this side this time. So the way for me to explain this to you is I'm just going to kind of put it all together like this. I mean, I guess you could just roll it up too. I don't know why I'm being fancy about it. Like that. And then I'm going to start with my piece over like this, and I'm just going to start like I'm doing a French braid. But what I'm mindful of as I'm doing the braid is to any little pieces I feel sticking out, I'm going to try and wrap the scarf around them to hold them in there. I don't want them sticking out. So when I did this before, I was kind of like, do I start with it on the outside or the inside, or does it matter? So I'm kind of experimenting right now. I think I'm going to start with it on the inside, meaning I'm going to take some like this and start first underneath. You know how you do like an invisible type of braid, I guess you would say. So I'm start underneath like this. It's an experiment, you guys. Like that, and then I'm going to put these in, not all of them, because I want my other one to start ahead. So then I'm going to put these in. And see how these, I'm just going to kind of wrap it on these and then wrap it in. Okay, so after I do my braid, I kind of poke in all of my little pieces that are sticking out. If you have longer locks, then that won't be a problem for you. But I'm just kind of poking them in. I have it tied here right now because I have to obviously do this side, and then I will deal with what I'm going to do to the back part of it. Okay, so you see how this looks like a hot mess right now, right here? But I'm going to encourage you, if you have shorter and like different shaped locks like me, or hair like, hair too, not just locks, I'm going to encourage you to keep going, because you can fix that and poke those in like I did on this side once you're done. So I had to learn that when I tried this style the other day, when I just did this piece. Like, don't just abandon it, keep going. Okay, so I have all my little pieces poked in, and I wrapped off the back. What I did was take one of the scarves and wrap it around the other one. You can leave it down if you want to and just hanging, or I'm going to wrap it around the next one because I'm trying to keep things off of my neck. So I'm going to continue to wrap it around. I think for today, I'm going to leave these guys off. That would be super cute though, right? Like with them dangling around. That would be really, really cute. Should I do it? I think for today I'm done, and I'll do something with these another time. But let me give you a full look around so you can see how it turned out. Okay, you guys, so that is it. I'm going to sit out here and soak up some sun before it gets even hotter. So that's it. I did a little bun in the back after I showed you how to tie it off. I didn't like the little pieces sticking out, so I covered them. And this is it. It's going to keep my hair off of my face and my neck as I sit out here and get some rays. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Please let me know what you think down below and how you are doing. And I post every Sunday and Thursday, so I will see you again in another few days. All right. Bye.